Hello, let's look at this question here together. The question says, find the length of AC below. Now, this is the length AC that we are looking for. Now, it is very, very important that there's a special theorem here that we need to apply, or a special rule here that we need to apply so that we can obtain the value of AC. Now, this line AD is a tangent. The line AD is a tangent. And there's a rule that states that the square of a tangent, such as this AD now, when we square the AD, we are told that that AD square is equal to this length, or we can call it this line here, DB, in the circle. So DB, that is the full length, multiplied by DC, that is this external part of the line, DC. So this is the rule that we're going to apply in order to obtain this value here. So now, if we continue, AD is 6 centimeters. So AD square will be 6 square, and that will be equal to DB that we do not know yet. That is DB multiplied by DC, and DC is 4. So that gives us 36 is equal to 4 dB. So in order to obtain the length of the line dB, we are going to divide both sides by 4. So I divide this side by 4, and 4 will cancel 4. I also divide this side by 4. So 36 divided by 4 is equal to 9. So that means dB, which is what is left here. So dB is equal to 9 centimeter. So this full length here, dB, is 9 centimeter. Now the question is, how do we get CB? Because if the full length here from D to B is 9, and from D to C is 4, so this remaining side has to be 9 minus 4, which is 5. So CB will be 5, so that the full length of the line will be 9. So I can now say CB is equal to 9 minus 4, which is equal to 5 centimeter. So the length of the part CB is 5 centimeter. Now, let's continue from there. If you look at this line that passes through the center of the circle, this line is the diameter of the circle. So once you have a diameter of a circle like this, the triangle that diameter makes is a right angle triangle. So that theorem says that the angle in a semicircle is right angle. So that means this angle made by the diameter in this triangle is 90 degrees. So this box indicates that it is 90 degrees. So it is a right angle. Angle in a semicircle is right angle. So now, we know this part as 5 centimeter. That is from C to B. We already know it as 5 centimeter. That is what we obtain here as 5 centimeter. And this part is 3 centimeter. And so we have to look for AC. So we're going to apply Pythagoras theorem. So from Pythagoras theorem, the square of this hypotenuse, that is the longest side, and that is 5 square now. 5 square is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So it's going to be AC square plus AB, which is 3 square. So that's 25 now. 5 square is 25. So 25 is equal to AC square plus 9. So from there now, if I continue, we have AC square is equal to, that I can leave this AC square on this side, take this 9 to this side, so it becomes 25 minus 9. But I've decided to write the AC square first. And this 9 going to this side becomes negative 9. So I have AC square is equal to 25 minus 9 is 16. So in order to obtain the value of AC, what I'm simply going to do is to take the square root of both sides. So I take the square root of this side, take the square root of this side. So this square cancels the square root and I'm left with AC. And that will be equal to the square root of 16 is 4. So that means the length of the line AC is 4 centimeter, as you can see from the question. So this AC here is 4 centimeter. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more detailed videos like this. Thank you.